Welcome kids YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Welcome to Learn with Nature Sunday Garden Tour. Let's explore the garden together and see what we can find. Look at these tall trees. Trees give us fresh air. These green leaves are so big and shiny. Wow, look at the flowers. This one is red and that one is yellow. Flowers make the garden beautiful. Can you spot the butterfly? Flutter, flutter. There's also a ladybug on the leaf. Isn't that cute? Here's a watering can. We use it to water the plants. Look how happy the plants are. Can you hear the birds? Nature is full of beautiful sounds. You did great. Today we learned about trees, flowers, bugs, and garden fun. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.